Sex I press when I'm stressed. My granny tell me I'm blessed, but why the fuck do Jesus Christ got me going through this shit? Everybody need favors. What happen if I go broke? Or say I ain't got it and buy my Lolos for spokes. Right up in your face, shit, I fuck you up like some mace. So fuck your hand out. Give a young nigga some space. Give a nigga some ace. Give me a blunt that's lace. Sprinkle some Miley in it. Watch me take this shit to my face. The snitch is the shooter. They took time away from his case. Heard this shit, oh Lord, where is the world today? That's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. That's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. That's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. I be going through some things you don't know what I be thinking. That's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. That's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. That's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. I be going through some things you don't know what I be thinking. This industry shit to me is one biggest lick. I walk inside of a building till I ain't enough niggas strip. I need all of my chips. My life you know Section 8. I've been a welfare case. AFDC pump fake. Meanwhile I'm grinding cause drug money ain't like rap money. 4 white kilos, no bunny. Equal one whole show dummy. I'm on this tour bus and I'm fucked up. I got a bank card. They kill Braves. They kill Chad. My big homie bud. Puppy eyes on my face, bro. And I just that been drinking. Motherfucker, I really been smoking. Motherfucker, I'm the sober one. But I'm so stressed out, I can't focus. I know when I ride out. Ski pass with the eye out. Ski pass in the club. Let's me a little show. I'm a young nigga hot out. 2 kids in a bucket. I feel like fucking. The price of fame. Recognize my pain. It's all I know. All I know, but I'm out here though. Cover my juice like vitamin nose. I'm on this tour bus and I'm fucked up. I got a bank card and it's all bad. I'm OG with my OG and some OE about the dog club. It's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. It's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. It's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. I be going through some things you don't know what I be thinking. It's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. It's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. It's why I really be smoking, and I really be drinking. I be going through some things you don't know what I be thinking.
What's happening, nigga?
Shit, nigga got this joint. Nigga gonna get something real nice, like.
Man, stop playing. You do like bullshit.
I'm serious though, like, already checked it out, feel me?
Man, look, check this out. I'm with the shit, man. You already know how you, man. What's happening? What you trying to do?
Man, nigga trying to get paid. Like, is you serious or is you playing?
Nigga, is you serious, nigga? What's up, nigga? You know where I live at, nigga?
Nigga, I'm down the street. I'm about to pull up though, nigga, for sure. I holler.
Hey, hold on, though. My nigga, this shit cool. You ain't trying to, you feel me? Like what's up, nigga?
Nah, you my nigga, okay?
Explosive. West Coast shit, my nigga rich. Plays a track. Girls that used to turn they back. Causing me to yank they on it. Moves like I would do them all. Now I'm saying thank you cause they tell me my shit's the bomb. Explosive. For my niggas drinking cognac. Smoking weed. Always back. More than one firearm. Chrome rims. Riding on the chronic in your system. Let me know. My shit's the bomb. Explosive.
West Coast shit, nigga. Overdosage, imperial pistols, ferocious. Fuck a bitch. Don't tease, bitch. Strip tease, bitch. Eat a phone of these, bitch. Gobble a dick. Host got to eat a dick and shut the fuck up. Gargle and swallow a nut up. Shut up and get my cash. Backhanded. Pimp slap back with the left stranded. Just pop your collar. Pimp convention hoes for $1. 6 deuce in the front. 6 deuce and holler. Pimpin' hoes from Texas to Guatemala. Bitch niggas pay for hoes. Just to lay with hoes. Relax one night and pay to stay with hoes. Captain save them all day. But say this dick, bitch nigga. You more of a bitch than a bitch. You ain't into hitting pussy or hitting the switch. You into hitting bitches off of the grip, you punk bitch.
All my real dogs still kicking with me. All my down hoes still tricking with me. All the the true gangsters know they ain't never loved no more. All the hood rats still shaking for me. All my true fans still checking for me. All the real smokers know they ain't passing nothing but dope and D. Real trees, chronic leaves, no seeds. Then I catch you last night, baby, before I blew your mind, blew your mind. I thought we had a chance, lady, no more. Now that I'm sober, you ain't that fine. Don't wanna treat you wrong, don't wanna lead you on. Here, baby, hit the phone while the West Coast rolls along. While we still making gangsta hits, we still talking gangsta deals. Damn girl, you think it's slick? Somebody better get this big.
I got these freaky hoes clapping their hands, stomping their feet. Every now and then they put their mouth on me. Nowadays a G like me can't even call it a 23-year-old pussy fiend and freakaholic. Pimping bitches on the regular, I put that on the G. A hustler and a player, nowadays it pays to be. Let me drop some shit about this bitch I used to know. She gave your boy the head and said don't let nobody know. Up on the 5 Pro, I had to grab a hoe. She got freaky in your 64, I skeeted in her throat. Been knowing the hoe for 4 days, pimpery pays. And I bet you didn't know that she go both ways. She ate her best friend, I left them hoes at the moat. They be beefing me and shit, but we don't kick it no more. Them hot hoes is fiending, they on the nut. But bitch, I'm out your pussy when I nut. For real.
Explosive, 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 explosive.
My name is Michelle Porter, and I'm enrolled in the Physician Assistant Studies program at the University of Mount Union. One of the best experiences Mount Union offered me was the opportunity to volunteer for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital as an undergrad. For me, this was a life-changing experience. It made me realize that not only did I want to work in medicine, but I wanted to keep the aspects of faith and hope in medicine. I owe my career path as a PA to the opportunities that Mount Union was able to provide.
Learn more about Michelle and other exceptional stories at mountunion.edu or #BeExceptional.
Don't fight the feeling. That's right. Don't fight the feeling. Say my life is like a movie, nigga, fucking every day. Fucking every day, nigga, fucking every day. Say my life is like a movie, nigga, fucking every day. Missionary doggy style, nigga, fucking every way. Go. I'm not the nigga you thought that trickin', we off that, I hit that, no callback, she ratchet, I like it, I hold it, she bite it, she lick it and suck it, I fuck it, he wife it, no feelings for a hold it, ain't my main thing, my niggas on the same thing, all my niggas gang bang, bitches do too, this is my boo, 2 C's on the bag, but she throw up pop root, and we off that Ciroc, she don't mind if I do, her girlfriend a thot, tell her hop in my coupe, tell her hop in my coupe, tell her hop off my roof, my baby mama trippin', and that bitch can shoot, but you gon' let me hit it or not?
Can I get the dick or not?
You gon' let me watch you strip or not?
Can a bitch get a fit or not?
Once you get it, you got it forever. So let me hit it. Once you get it, you got it forever. Oh, girl, so let me hit it. If you let a nigga come through, I'ma give it to you better than you ever had. Girl, I promise I'ma be the only thing you wanna do. Making you forget about your niggas automatic, you already know. It's a problem, bitch, you better follow me. Why? I give you this dick, you hit the lottery. I know all the stuff, astrology, last deposit, fucked up the whole economy. Yeah. Spent 2010 pitching it, cuss pimping it, heavyweight strength infinite, you different. Last night, niggas picturing 7 times, black chicks trying white shit, better life, I'm the future, real beef, I shoot you. Walk, no talk, no subbing, no woofers, this song, tell by my tone, real nigga call back.